Okay, this is just common sense. So power pivot is 38. And I said, if you're going to do anything, you've got to wait for it to bounce some. You cannot short 22 points off of the day's high. There's just no edge. So if you did not want to buy the 34s, 33s, don't do anything. You cannot short there. Just no edge. And I believe that 32 that we're calling as support for now, we want to keep that for the first half hour or so anyways. And expect to need to wait for some of these moving averages to catch up. We're just too overdone. And now it doesn't mean that we have to bounce and go crazy. So I'm going to use this notion that we'd said earlier that we should bounce a little bit, and I'm going to keep an eye on this green line coming down. And I want to avoid overthinking today. I like hitting bounces, but I don't like hitting them 22 points off the open. Need to put a little bit of perspective in this. So for now, let's use 41.75 area as resistance. That'll be the first key resistance. And expect some chop. Going to take time to dig out from this. Very, very damaging day today. We said if we get 3 black crows, look out. You know, everybody and their brother that love that, you know, we're going to new highs. I said if we just take it out and come through, we won't know until after. And yesterday was the day that nobody knows. Nobody knows. You know, that's a spin bar. And we take out, I said, if we take out the low and then take out the previous day's low, look out. This is just a resting day. Okay, so look at the territory that we are in. We know we're overdone. I'm going to keep this idea of 32, 31 as support. And I'm going to figure that we're going to have some chop back and forth. And I think we need to be patient on the short side because we've already, you know, this stolen range, we've already got a substantial portion of the day's range. Doesn't mean we can't go lower in subsequent days, but does mean I don't want to overthink this. So there's more pressure on late shorts who missed this move now that want to short it. And just make sure you stay, you know, even keeled. Doesn't mean we can't hit the bounces, but, you know, whatever you do, understand how far we have come already. And not only today, but the last few days. So be patient. We'll probably get one good short before the day's over, and that'll be it. And for now, I'm going to hold to that 32 to 31 as support. The half gap is 45 today. So 45, in my opinion, is going to be resistance. So that's the backup resistance today. And we've got a lot of time in the day. So, boys, I told you we will get one good bounce no matter what. We always get a contra. And my guess is that we will have one, and because retests are fact of life. So this is going to try to stabilize, and then we've got all this territory up here that needs to be retested before we're done.